Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So let's start with our today's session. Guys, in today's session, we will learn some important words which is related to timings. In that, the very first is time. Time is equals samay. In Gujarati, time is equals samaya. Samay in Gujarati. Then hour. Hour is equals kalak. Hour is equals kalak in Gujarati. The very next is clock. Clock is equals ઘડિયાળ. ઘડિયાળ. Clock is equals ઘડિયાળ in Gujarati. The very next is date. Date is equals તારીખ. Date is equals તારીખ in Gujarati. Then the very next is meeting. Meeting is equals બેઠક. બેઠક. બેઠક in Gujarati. The very next is arrival. Arrival is equals આગમન. Arrival is equals આગમન in Gujarati. The very next is occasion. Occasion is equals પ્રસંગ. Occasion is equals પ્રસંગ in Gujarati. The very next is period. Period is equals સમયગાળો. Period is equals સમયગાળો in Gujarati. The very next is tomorrow. Tomorrow is equals કાલે. Tomorrow is equals કાલે in Gujarati. The very next is yesterday. Yesterday is equals ગઈ કાલે in Gujarati. Yesterday is equals ગઈ કાલે in Gujarati. Alright guys, I am repeating all the words again. The very first, time means samaya. Time means samay. Hour. Hour means kalak. Kalak. Then clock. Clock means ઘડિયાળ. Clock is equals ઘડિયાળ in Gujarati. The very next is date. Date is equals તારીખ. Then meeting. Meeting is equals બેઠક. Meeting is equals બેઠક in Gujarati. The very next is arrival. Arrival is equals આગમન. Arrival is equals આગમન in Gujarati. The very next is occasion. Occasion means પ્રસંગ. Occasion is equals પ્રસંગ in Gujarati. And the very next is period. Period is equals સમયગાળો in Gujarati. And the very next is tomorrow. Tomorrow means કાલે. Tomorrow means કાલે in Gujarati. And the yesterday. Yesterday means ગઈ કાલે. Yesterday means ગઈ કાલે in Gujarati. I hope you guys are enjoying my video and learning Gujarati very well. Please share this video to others so they can also learn Gujarati, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos on Gujarati learning. See you again with new video. Take care. Bye bye. Aabhar.